Meaning of impassively.
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 Impassively. The adverb impassively means to behave or react in a manner that is devoid of emotion or external expression of feeling. It refers to a cool, calm, and collected approach to situations that would normally elicit strong emotions or reactions. A person who acts impassively may be seen as detached, indifferent, or uninvolved in the events around them. This can sometimes be misconstrued as apathy or lack of concern. However, it may also indicate a deliberate attempt to remain objective and avoid being swayed by personal feelings or bias.